So I went on my first cruise ever to celebrate my cousin's birthday. So stay tuned to hear more details about the things we did on the trip and where we went.
Hey, hold up, I'ma call right back. Money hit my line.
So this was a long process. We had to wait in line, we had to make sure we had all of our documentation, and we had to check our bags. All of those things was a part of the process. So make sure when you get there, you have everything you need.
This what you dream of when you close your eyelids. Picture perfect, super vibrant. We can press rewind, we can take it from the top. I be on my grind, you know I don't ever stop. We came at a fight, don't be blowing up the spot. Tell me where your mind at, I'm tryna get the drop. Let me know.
Here's our room. We have closet space here. And then also that's the door for the bathroom. Here's the bathroom, the toilet, the shower. There was 3 of us in the room, so it really did work out pretty well for us. So we just made it work for us by setting up the bedroom the way we wanted it to be set up, making sure we had the space that we needed in order to have a good time on our trip.
To me when you need them vibes, I got them cold heaters. You know how I be super fly up in some cold sneakers. They be like, oh Jesus, why he drift for no reason? I'm just playing.
Let me tell you, the food, the food was so good. The food was so good throughout the entire trip. It was so great to be able to try out the different desserts, the different entrees, the different appetizers. Let me tell you, that food, it was good.
I'll see me so up. How we gon' go down? Let me know some. Tell me what you thinking. If you got a minute, we can find what you've been seeking.
Here we are in Nassau. We decided to go check out the beach and walk around town. It was such a beautiful sight. Here we are in Half Moon Cay in the Bahamas. We are doing the Stingray Adventure. So during this adventure, we get to swim with the stingrays and go snorkeling and look at the fish in the water. And then we also had the opportunity to actually feed the stingrays. They gave us fish to feed them. And then we were able to experience sea cucumbers and the conch shells. So that was a really great experience. There we are with the conch shell. The water in the Bahamas is so beautiful and so clear. I just enjoyed just staring at that water. While on board the ship, we made sure to check out all the different shows and activities that were going on throughout the day. So here we are in Grand Turk, and happy birthday, Leah. It was Leah's birthday, and so we got a chance to experience Grand Turk and go on a tour. And we had such a great tour guide who gave us a great tour of the island and told us about the culture and the animals. So he did a great job in explaining everything. Here's a view of the island. It was so interesting. We were seeing stray dogs walking around the beach. It was like 5 of them that we saw. And here's a short clip from Leah's birthday dinner. Just like that, our trip was over and we're back in Miami.